India's digital payments ecosystem is undergoing a significant structural shift. With the Unified Payments Interface, UPI, firmly establishing itself as a dominant mode of retail digital transactions. In November 2025 alone, UPI processed a record 20.47 billion transactions amounting to 26.32 lakh rupees crore, registering a robust 32% year-on-year growth. This meteoric rise highlights not just increasing adoption, but a fundamental realignment in how Indians prefer to transact. UPI's success lies in its simplicity, interoperability, and real-time settlement capabilities. From street vendors and small kirana stores to large e-commerce platforms, UPI has become the default payment option. Features such as QR-based payments, zero-cost transactions for users, seamless bank-to-bank transfers, and integration with multiple apps have made it highly accessible across income groups and geographies. However, UPI's rapid expansion has also led to stagnation or decline in other retail payment systems under the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI). Instruments such as immediate payment service (IMS), prepaid payment instruments (PPIs), and even card-based transactions have seen slower growth or reduced relevance in everyday use. Systems that once formed the backbone of India's digital payment infrastructure are increasingly being overshadowed by UPI's convenience and scale. This shift presents both opportunities and challenges. On the positive side, UPI has significantly advanced financial inclusion, reduced cash dependency, and improved transaction transparency. At the same time, the growing concentration around a single payment rail raises concerns around systemic risk, infrastructure resilience, and the sustainability of zero-merchant discount rate models. As India's digital economy continues to expand, the next phase will require balancing UPI's dominance with innovation and diversification across payment systems. Ensuring robustness, competition, and long-term viability will be critical to sustaining the momentum of India's digital payments revolution. BizShort, in seconds, what matters? Think business, think BizShort.